to improve your SwiftUI skills with iOS 17? In this video, we're diving deep into SwiftData relationships, where you will learn how to build smarter, more efficient apps. By the end, you will have an app that lets users check out library books while tracking the relationship of borrowed items. As you can see on this screen, I can check out any book. If I go to, you will see that Yahuwah's book, Yahuwah's Bible, has been checked out. I can check out another book, The Great Gatsby, and also To Kill a Mockingbird. And then if I navigate tab view item, you can see that I've checked out 3 books. And if I want to return the books, I just click on the return button. So I'll return 2 books, Yahuwah's Bible and To Kill a Mockingbird. Return back to the checked out view. As you can see, those 2 books have been returned to the library. So this is the application that we're creating in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create our checked out books view to enable the user to view which books have been checked out. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new SwiftUI file. Name the file checked out books view. We can delete our preview. And then we type the following: import SwiftData, import Swift. Yeah, that's it. We don't need to import anything else. Just import SwiftUI and import SwiftData. And then we need to have access to our model context. And the importance of this is to enable information to be retrieved and edited or deleted if needed. So we have to use a environment. Model context, private var, model context. The next thing we need to do is to create an object variable for our view model. It's called library view model. And the purpose of that object variable is to handle any logic and data for the checked out books. At query, private var, checked out books. So the at query will query or contain a list, an array of books that have been checked out. Checked out books. And then on lines 21, we can delete that. Add a navigation view. Add a list to display the books that have been checked out using a for each. So we walk through each element within the array of books, and then within each element of the books we have to assign a unique ID using .id, and that's needed for the list so that each element within the list is unique. hstack if let UI image is equal to view model dot load image on path checked out books or checked out book. That should be checked out book. Which is this one here. Yeah, checked out book. Checked out book. Dot book image path. So on line 28, what that does, it loads and displays the book image if the available book is there. Otherwise, it shows a default book. So now we have to display the actual image, the book image, if it exists. UI image. Oh, we're missing, on line 25, we're missing in. So that should be in the closure. Dot resizable. Dot frame. Width 80. Height 120. Dot corner radius 8. And on line 24, there shouldn't be a full stop there, we need to have a comma. Else image. So if the image cannot be displayed from the documents directory, then we will just display a default book image that's called book using system images. So resize, resizable, frame, width 80, height 120, foreground color grey. So the images will be displayed here. If it exists, it's displayed between lines 30 to 33. If it doesn't exist, a default image is displayed for the book. The next thing we need to display is what are the book title, checked out book, book title, book dot title, dot font, headline, text, checked out book, dot author, font, dot sub, headline, dot foreground color, dot grey. dot padding dot vertical 8. The purpose of that line on line 50 is to add padding between the rows. I think I spelled checked out book incorrectly. That variable doesn't exist, so it's incorrect. So it should be checked out book. And then we just need to add a navigation title. It's called checked out books. In our next tutorial, we will add our CAD view to enable the user to navigate between the library and the checked out library books. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.